Are you tired of cloudy water? Do you want better tasting ice? Then consider the PUREPLUS PRO 5231JA2006A filter. It replaces many LG and Kenmore models. This includes the popular Kenmore 9990. Furthermore, it's certified by NSF, ANSI 53 and 42. This means it removes harmful stuff. It also makes your water taste better. Think of it as a personal bodyguard for your drinking water. It stands guard against impurities. Also, the 3-pack offers great value, so you won't run out quickly. I found installation very easy. It just twists right in. Overall, it's a solid choice. The PUREPLUS Pro Kenmore 9990 filter 3-pack is a real winner. Moreover, this filter tackles a lot. It reduces lead. It also filters out chlorine. Many other contaminants disappear too. Imagine your water as a blank canvas. This filter paints a picture of purity. It's a noticeable improvement. My family drinks more water now. Additionally, even my picky kids like it. The ice cubes look clearer. They also taste fresh. It's like a refreshing spring in your fridge. Furthermore, the flow rate is good. There's no slowdown. It works just like the original. Therefore, you won't even notice a difference. Except, of course, for the cleaner water. The PUREPLUS Pro Kenmore 9990 filter 3-pack truly delivers. Finally, let's talk about why this filter shines. It's not just about clean water. It's about peace of mind. Knowing your family drinks safe water is priceless. Besides, it's cost-effective. Buying a 3-pack saves money. Compared to bottled water, it's a no-brainer. Think of it as a small investment. It pays off in health and in convenience too. Furthermore, it's a simple swap. No tools needed. Just a few minutes. Subsequently, you have great water. It's a small change with a big impact. Ultimately, the PUREPLUS Pro Kenmore 9990 filter 3-pack is highly recommended. Pros: easy to replace, worked with my refrigerator, got them fast, fits good, item was as described. Right size, perfect fit, much more economical, great filters, clean filtered water, great price, works as well as OEM filters. Cons: difficult to remove when changing, no filter flush instructions, water flow may be slower, not always a perfect fit, some fake reviews exist. Features: NSF ANSI 53 certified, NSF ANSI 42 certified, refrigerator water filter, replaces LG LT 600P, replaces Kenmore 469990, reduces contaminants, improves water taste, easy to install, comes in a 3-pack. PUREPLUS Pro brand. The PUREPLUS Pro 5231JA2006A is a refrigerator water filter that is certified to remove common contaminants, making your water taste better. It's an easy-to-install replacement for LG LT 600P and Kenmore 469990 filters and comes in a convenient 3-pack. The PUREPLUS Pro 5231JA2006A water filters are a good replacement for LG and Kenmore refrigerators, offering clean, filtered water at a much lower price than original filters. They are easy to install and generally fit well, working just as effectively as the more expensive OEM options. However, some users have found them difficult to remove, and the package doesn't include instructions for flushing the new filter. There might also be a slight decrease in water flow for some users, and occasionally the fit isn't perfect.